por primera vez, vamos a... Ok. A ver. El idioma. Tiene que estar por aquí. Lenguaje. Español. Volvemos para atrás. El audio. Sí, la música, para que no YouTube no joda con los copyrights y everything. Entonces ya, eso es todo. Vamos a iniciar un juego nuevo y que sea nuevo. So, vamos allá. Voy a dejar la historia para que se vea completo, o sea, el gameplay. So, me callo ya.
Sorry, babe. I'm an ambitious girl. You're just small time.
Liberty City is in shock today as the police and emergency services deal with the aftermath of a devastating attack on a police convoy this morning. As yet, no details have been released about the prisoners being transferred in the convoy, and no group has claimed responsibility. The convoy left police headquarters early this morning for a routine transfer of felons to Liberty Penitentiary. The attack took place on the Callahan Bridge, leaving few witnesses and the bridge itself severely damaged. Some of the convicts are thought to have perished in the explosion that followed the initial attack. Revelations as to the professionalism of the attack struck police hours afterward, when identification of the missing felons were further hampered by an attack by computer hackers on police headquarters databases. With the Porter Tunnel project falling behind schedule, this disaster leaves Portland isolated from the rest of the city.
Come on! Señor Dickhead, it's no problem to kill you. You're gonna be sorry. Aye, get lost.
I know a place on the edge of the red light district where we can lay low, but my hands are all messed up, so you better drive, brother.
¿Y qué maneja esta toma ya? Con carro. Acelero. Allá entonces. Claro, ¿qué coloco? Allá.
This is the place right here. Let's get off the street and find a danger close. I know this guy. He's connected. His name's Luigi. Me and him go back, so I can probably get you some work. Come on, let's head over there. Freaking maniac! Let's go around the back and use the service door.
He ain't no gentleman, that one.
Wait here, man, while I go in and talk to Luigi.
¿Qué es lo que tiene en la mano? Parece un boiseador.
Say hello to 8-Ball, ladies.
8-Ball's got some business upstairs. Or maybe you could do me a favor. One of my girls needs a ride, so grab a car and pick up Misty from the clinic, then bring her back here. Remember, no one messes with my girls. So keep your hands on the wheel. If you don't mess this up, maybe there'll be more work for you. Now get out of here.
Ok. Ya no va a ser un carro. Yo quiero un carro nuevo. Me llevan esta guagua, camioneta.
You pimpin', biatch.
Voy a mix porque ya no está nueva, ¿no? No, la emisora, yo la pagué la emisora porque eso es barato. En la clínica. ¿Qué diablo? No la puerta. Móntate, móntate. Pero móntate, muchacha.
Hi, I'm Misty.
Gran cosa. Llegaste. 1500 de infotazo. Ya esa es la primera misión. Yo lo voy a dejar hasta ahí. Y nada, hablamos ahorita.